Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartbird feeder camera won't scan the QR code during setup, the pairing process can stop before the camera even connects to Wi-Fi. You might hold your phone in front of the camera over and over again, but nothing happens, or the camera never gives the confirmation sound. In most cases, the QR code itself isn't the problem. Screen brightness, viewing distance, camera positioning, or the device not being in pairing mode are usually the real cause. Before resetting everything and starting from scratch, there are a few simple adjustments that can make the QR code scan successfully. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try. 1. Increase your phone's screen brightness to maximum. 2. Place the camera in pairing mode before showing the QR code. 3. Hold the phone about 6 to 8 inches from the camera lens. 4. Avoid glare and use a well lit indoor area for scanning. 5. Refresh the QR code by restarting the pairing process in the app. 6. Wait for the confirmation tone before moving to the next step.